Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming iOS 18 is installed and that you have enough space. This prevents interruptions. Next, enable iCloud Photos or decide to work locally so edits sync the way you want. Once done, open the Photos app, navigate to the album, and tap the photo you'll edit. You're already in the editing workflow, so don't return to settings unless necessary. This initial setup saves time and keeps your originals safe while you change the image. You tap Edit to reveal iOS 18 improved tools. Auto Enhance is a fast starting point, but make manual tweaks to light, color, and black and white for control. Then use Crop and Rotate. If you need a specific frame, lock the aspect ratio to maintain composition. For advanced fixes, use selective adjustments to target exposure or color in a small area. Make changes progressively, because you can undo individual edits, so experiment without fear. You finish by choosing Save or Duplicate Edit so the original stays intact. Duplicating preserves both versions. When exporting, use Share to save as a file or select Export unmodified for raw needs. If changes don't appear, make sure iCloud Sync is active. If problems persist, force close Photos, restart your iPhone, and reopen the app. If syncing conflicts happen, check that you're on the same Apple ID and network. This resolves most
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.